Hello guys, in this video you will see how to change paper size in Word on iPad for printing. It's very easy. First you need to click here on the layout tab and here you will see the option of size. So this size option will allow you to change the paper size. After tabbing on the size option, you will see different size of the papers. Just click on the size you want, for example E5, and the paper size will change. However, note that the paper size will change for the entire document. If you want to just print this document without changing the paper size, then you need to click here on the three dots, then click on print and then air print. Select your printer here and here you will see the option of paper size. Just tap on the option and then select the paper size. So after selecting the paper size, this paper size will be applicable when you print without changing the paper size in the document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Word on iPad quickly. See you again in the next one.